Welcome back, guys. Here we are. We pulled the bike out and now we're going to install it. And today we're doing this just like any old Joe Schmo would do, as far as buy this, plug and play. We're going to see how it does when you do that. So we're going to take this out, get it installed. First thing I recommend you do, take the left side plastics off your bike. It's going to make it so much easier to get to the ECU because it's kind of jammed down in there. And you're pretty much going to finagle until you can get it unplugged. So let's go ahead and take this one out, and we're going to put the other one in. And then I'm going to show you how to link up to the blink unit, and we'll go from there. Alright, so at this point, you figured out how to take the ECU out. You figured out how to plug it in and hook your blink unit up. It's very simple, plug and play. Nestle your wires in a way where everything is going to be safe, so that way nothing gets snagged up when you close your seat. So now we're going to pull out the phone app, the ARacer Smart Light, and I'll pull it up right here for you. And you're going to get a little message here. We'll skip by this one here. But essentially, you're going to turn the key on. Swipe over, and we're going to go into settings. And as you can see, the blink unit, a lot of times it's going to auto connect. If it doesn't, you will see it right here. You just hit blink, and then from here you go back out, parameters and monitoring, and let's fire this puppy up. Test out the throttle position sensor, and yeah. So as you can see, with the plug and play, she will start right up, and essentially on the screen you have your RPMs. Up to the top right you got your throttle position percentage. I'll go show you that in a second. Air fuel ratio down at the bottom, and all the way at the bottom you have all of your specs, and you can scroll up and down through this and check it out for yourself. You can tap on them, kind of see what each one means and whatnot. Spark plug angle, fuel cycle or closed loop, air fuel ratio, so on and so forth. But pretty much it comes down to you playing with the app and get acclimated with it, so that way you know everything that's going on in the app. Hit this little button here, start some data logging, and let's go pump the throttle a couple times so you can, see what it does. Overall, a pretty neat device, the fact that you can literally see everything that's going on. When you download the Pro app, you get a lot more than what's here. But what I'll do in later videos is go into what you'll get to see in log mode once you create a log like we are doing right now. And when you turn the bike off, it will save that log. But at this point, you cannot do any changes. I'll even show you, for instance, I have the Pro app here. And let's see if we can easily connect to it or not. See how smooth they make this. So as you can see, trying to switch over to the Pro app from the other app does not work. So what we'll do is we'll power down right now. And we're going to go back out. And we're going to turn it back on. Go to settings. Boom, connected now. Pro app, paid for app. So this is to show you if you were Joe Schmo, bought this plug and play and thought you were going to be slick, get the paid for app, go over to calibration, and let's see, we'll play with the RPM idle. I guess you can make changes. We learned something new here. So apparently, spring the out of main. You can make changes apparently. That's pretty nifty. But you pretty much have to hit that little arrow button to send it over to the ECU. Anyway, we're getting a little in depth here. save some of this other stuff for another video. I learned some stuff making this right now, so this is what the whole process is about. Just you seeing what I go through and trying to learn how this thing works. So yeah, I may even play with this for a minute here and just see what can be changed, just so I can let you guys know in future videos. But if you stuck around this far, I appreciate you for being here for another episode featuring the ARacer. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can be notified when I put out another one of these episodes. You don't want to miss this. Like I said, I'm trying to come with some heavy tips, but enough talking. I want to take this thing for a rip. So next episode is going to be us taking a little ride, showing you what happens when you're riding with this thing. So, till next time, peace out, y'all.